Okay, welcome back. So we're going to do another question, and I've picked a lovely question for us to do. So we have sine theta equals tan theta, and let's see, theta will be between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, so we've got sine theta and tan theta. This is pretty simple. I mean, we're starting to have to use our trigonometric identities, and it'll become second nature to recognise basically that I'll do here that tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta. So that'll become second nature. So we can just plug that in, substitute tan theta for this, cos theta. So from here, if we cross multiply, and we'll have sine theta over sine theta, then we get that would be equal to 1. So let's just cross multiply. So we'll cancel out these signs. Okay. It's a risky business cancelling out the signs, because it means that you may well lose values. But we'll see what we get. We'll see what happens. It's all about sort of building up experience of these things, really. Theta will equal cos, so minus 1, 1, which, if I just plug that into my calci, so theta equals 0. So let's just draw this. So we want between theta 0 and, well, it's 360. But we're in radians, so it's 2 pi to u. What are we working in? We're working in the cos, so, and that'll be 90, 180, 270, and so we want all the values where theta equals 0. Well, this is representing theta, so we've got 90, pardon me, we've got 90 and 270. They're the values, so 90 and 270. But now here's the inexperience. I think there's a possibility in cancelling these out, we've cancelled a couple of values, but I see, I'll check, pardon me, had a bit too much to eat, I think, too quickly. So we'll just check the answers here. So what was this? Through question 3. Question 3D. Nope. Oh, whoopsie daisy. You know what I've done? That should have been pi over 2. And 270. That should be, well, what's 270 in pies? So let's try and convert this into pi. So we know that 360 equals 2 pi. We know that 180 equals pi. We know that 30 degrees equals pi over 6. And this is what's going to help us, pi over 6. So how many degrees of 30 are into 7? 9. So you've got 9 over 6 pi, which is 3 over 2 pi. So there we go, just a quick breather. There's your answer. It's actually bollocks. Good sign. It will cross through 180. So you'd have 180 and pi. That's confusing me. It's now gone to cos. Okay, so here's a point of confusion. Just check the answers, and it's actually the answer given is pi and 2 pi. So this means that we're looking at the sine wave, okay, rather than the cos wave. I can't really explain it better than the fact that we started off with the sine wave here, and we used, we converted tan into that. So we're dealing with sine. Just because we've sort of gone through and effectively cancelled the sines out, we're still working with the sine wave. So that's my best explanation for explaining this answer, but it's dubious. But anyway, we'll go for another question. This is all about gaining experience, and certain gaps of knowledge like this kind of get filled in as we go along. So see you in the next video.